Omaha Garage Door Repair had a client call from Plattsmouth, Nebraska, who sought garage door cable repair service. When they opened and closed their door, they heard strange noises coming from it. The garage door, too, began to act up, leaving little doubt that it needed some attention. Our technicians were dispatched to the site to inspect the matter and determined that new cables were needed, as the old ones had worn out beyond repair. The client allowed us to replace the cables, a task we undertook without delay. Before long, the door was functioning optimally, leaving the client delighted with our service. Omaha Garage Door Repair is your go-to garage door service provider in Omaha, Nebraska. We offer essential services, including garage door cable replacement, repair, and maintenance to keep your doors looking and operating at their best. Our highly skilled technicians are committed to ensuring every job is done with excellent workmanship so that you can have added peace of mind. Call us today at 402-819-5158 or visit www.garagedoorrepairomaha.ne.com for a free estimate.